Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. Let's have another knot here. This is going to be the golden dome knot. This is my left side. It's at the bell line as usual. Just going to come over, put in a dimple of any kind that you want to do. Bring this over to the center. Come around like this. Come up and over like that. And we're going to come back down like this. So this is what we have so far. I'm going to put my fold in right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this bottom part like this. I'm going to take this folded part right here, and I'm going to push it through like this. I'm going to pull it up like that. So we're forming the dome right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this bottom part, I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to come back around like this. Kind of like this here. I'm just going to kind of loop it back around like that. Oh, never mind guys, that didn't work. That move didn't work. I do like that move though. Tell you what, let's do. Let's bring it through here. And we'll fold it in half later. So we have let's bring it through that. So now what I need to do is I want to create a bigger dome than that. Let me put my collar down because I'm not liking. This is your dome right here. There we have it. So your dome is right there. There's your dome. This is kind of I guess a part of the dome. So there you go. There you go, guys. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.